Good morning, everybody. You probably can't see me very good because the sun's really not quite up yet.
Almost
But
there.
I'm out here with Ted Lincoln, Ted Lincoln's Fishing Life, and
Yes.
he's taking Old Blue from me today, and we're going to try to catch some fish here this morning. We're on Lake Yale this morning, around the hydrilla and the mats and stuff, so try to see if we can catch a few fish and then give you a boat.
Can't get much better than that.
Nope. So we'll see what happens.
Hope we can repeat your luck the other day.
Hopefully so.
Yeah.
They said that was a slow day compared to what they've been doing lately.
Well,
So
let's do it.
hopefully.
But it was like, freaking February.
I mean, I want to spend a little more time up here on the Harris chain because I know as the bedding season comes in, I hear a lot of stories about guys just creeping up and down canals and woo! I wasn't even watching. Top water. It's little, but boy, he went after it hard. I don't know if I don't even know if I got that. I wasn't even looking at it.
Yeah. How many times did we pass over him
Yeah.
already?
All right, buddy, we're gonna hang on. It's the one thing about troubles. Slow down. We're gonna let you go. Well, that's the first one. First one. Hey, 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 hey.
First blood.
All right. So, first fish of the day. It's not big, but it came on top water. We'll see if that even came out.
We got the sound of it.
Yeah.
That thing was loud.
He did. He was.
I was already trying to think of which top water I was going to change to.
Ooh.
That's a little better.
That reminds me, I should get the net out this time. Let me know if you need it.
I don't think I need that, but he's about to got an hydro right away.
Yeah. He's wearing that ghillie suit.
I know he's a little fatter. Might be just a little heavier.
Yeah, you're definitely twice the size of mine. It's a pretty good looking fish.
Yeah. My first Lake Yale bass.
First Lake Yale bass.
First bass with my new fishing buddy, that Shiner guy. This is already better than my day on rod. So bad the other day.
I think we're going to be on him here.
All right. All right. I'm back. Don't have me took off yet. But I would ride my.
Ooh, there we go.
That was better. Same spot, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's small fish, but I love fishing top water.
I want to use a buzzbait. I left my better buzzbait rod in the van, but that's
A little tiny fish, but he
hit like 2 feet.
you were on top water, buddy. You still might make the cut. Let's see. I don't want to make a half-hour video.
See all these weird spots. And I got to see all of the lake.
Yeah.
And it's like that, those huge eelgrass mats in the middle. I'm like, I gotta, for the first day I went there,
I got one.
anything I needed.
Chatterbait.
Oh,
Yep. Now he's down on the hydrilla.
better one?
Yeah, about the same as the others. He's not real big. Ooh, a little heavier than I thought. I'm glad I didn't lose him. There it goes.
You can keep one, that was the one.
Awesome.
Might be pretty good at
You got any thump?
that.
Yeah, cool. Oh, he just got he buried himself?
No? I thought he did it first, but I think he's just pulling hard.
Oh, okay.
But now he's in the grass. Oh, did he just come out?
No, he's still there.
Good one.
Don't let him get in the motor. You want the net or you got?
I think so.
Yeah, maybe a little bigger than mine. I think he is a little bigger. Dude, that's nice. Yeah, that's good.
You want to snap a photo for me?
Yeah, yeah. And do you want me to turn the boat around, or do you want to go to the front? You get the sun in the background.
Turn the brightness up for you. Come on, thumb. That one. On the pause, just wherever we go.
Cool.
Smaller than two.
Woo! Big ones come parading right by the exact same spot. And half the time you think, okay, I caught the fish that was hanging out there. You got him?
Yeah. That's a better fish. And of course my camera's dead. Swears off.
Mine's on.
Did I call that or what?
Yep.
Come on, buddy.
You got grass.
He hit hard, but
Yeah. It's still a decent fish.
yeah, I'm still happy about it.
Yep. First fish in probably an hour and a half.
Yeah, first fish on the side.
Yeah.
Although it does have one.
I just got one and I think it's a little better.
Yeah.
Chatterbait. Oh, he came off. Oh man.
4 pounders.
Yeah. He came off. All right, guys. Well, we caught a few, probably 8 or 9 fish this morning. Had a good time, and now we're back over at Robbie's house. That is broken spinnerbait over here, and he's been holding on to Old Blue for me for a while, but we've decided that that's a little more project than Robbie wants. So that's one of the reasons that that we're over here today, is so that Ted can take Old Blue back to the house.
Yeah,
Like I said, she needs some love, a lot of it, but.
yeah, here we are with Robert, that China guy.
Hey, how are you?
Fishing today. We did pretty good.
We did pretty good. We did pretty good. We
4
caught like,
pounder,
yeah.
Lost a good one. You lost a good one too, but we'll make that. That China guy.
Yep.
It's still the Old Blue.
Still the Old Blue.
It's a 1985 Magnum, which neither one of us know that much about Magnum. We did some fiberglass work, and if you want, you should go check out his channel. He's got a more in-depth damage report.
Yeah. You can drop a link into your description of us almost sinking the new boat while we were transferring the old boat.
That was a good video. We'll definitely put it in.
Thank you all for watching. We had fun. See y'all later.